Hello. Yes, this is Station LLV. Yes, I'm the programs manager. What you say? You're joking. But he should be here already. The program is due to start in the next 15 minutes. An hour to an hour and a half. Is the road blocked that badly? All right, I'll have to see what we can do. Thanks for calling. What am I going to do, sir? The most popular program in the station. The most popular program in the entire nation. And the moderator gets dropped 20 miles out of town. Miss Jones, find out if there are any announcers in the compound. And see if you can get a standby moderator for the privateer program. What? Is it Montego Bay? Good Lord. All right. Check and see which announcers are here. Yes? Oh, Lord. He's the only one? All right, tell him to stand by. Hello? I know. He's stranded 20 miles out of town. Can't get in for now. I'm trying to get a substitute. Yes? Fill in with some music while I find somebody. Somebody to carry on until the moderator gets here. Make an announcement. Okay.
This is Station LLV. The time is 10:25 a.m. Private Air, your favorite call-in program. #1 in the ratings again, according to the most recent poll. We'll be a little bit late in starting today. Until Private Air starts, we'll invite you to listen to some music.
You sent for me, sir? Yes, sit down. Your name is?
Oliver, sir. What I do now?
I didn't say you do anything.
Says what then?
This is an emergency. You're acquainted with the program Privateer?
Oh, yes, sir. I listen to it every day. It's one of my favorite programs.
So you know what goes on in the program, the moderator does and all that?
Oh, yes. I am very well acquainted.
Well, I want you to do the show for me today, for about an hour.
Me?
Just until the moderator gets here.
Okay. How can man die better than facing fearful odds? Just turn me loose, Mr. Programs Manager.
Now remember, this is the #1 program on the station. You can't afford to mess up. Your career might be at stake.
Don't worry, sir. I feel confident. And when I feel confident, wonders never cease.
How long you been in training?
Well, for the past 3 years, I jog 1 mile every morning.
No. I mean training as an announcer.
Oh, for the past 2.5 months.
So your probation period will soon be up?
Yes, I have approximately 2 weeks more to go.
Well, Oliver, if you do this for me today, I'll see that you get immediate confirmation.
Leave it to me, boss. Leave it to me.
I'll be listening.
I expect you to. I'm going to make the hear them stand up in your head.
I wonder what he means by that.
Fade the music. Theme. Hello everybody, men and women, male and female. This is your host for a while on the program Private Ear. If you have a question to ask, just pick up the telephone and dial the number. You know them. And remember, don't hesitate, it's never too late. Now I have a few letters here and I'm going to read one of them to see what the writer wants. Now, that sound a while ago is the direct tearing of the envelope. No fake sound effects. And this letter comes from Sylvester McIntosh of Big Tree Jungle. Big Tree Jungle. Where that is, sir?
Portland.
You sure?
Blue Mountain Range, man.
Blue Mountain Range, eh? Sound like a remote corner of the world to me. Well, Sylvester McIntosh, if you're listening, I'm going to read your letter. Dear moderator, I hope you are well. Well enough. This place where I live have no water, no light, and no road. If you go for a walk at night time, you're bound to buck up in a tree or something, because you can't see where you are go. It's only on moonlight night that you can travel after dark. For that time, the moon is like a silver coin illuminating the earth. Nice, nice, poetic. Well, Sylvester, you can hear me? Him can hear me?
Just go on, man. Just go on. You're wasting time, man.
Why you gonna live in a place like that, Sylvester, without water, light, or road? Or is born you born there?
Carry on, man. Carry on.
All right. When it rain heavy, the floor sink about 6 inches. Right now, I don't know if I'm living in a cave or a house. So, Mr. Moderator, please see if you can get them to run a telephone line into Big Tree Jungle so at least we can call out. In the meantime, we're asking you to phone the Office of Disaster Preparation and send them in. Call the Office of Disaster Preparation for me, no? What you say? Telephone call coming in? All right. Put them on. Hello?
Hello, is this Mr. Bates?
No, not Mr. Bates.
Is Dr. Saunders?
Incorrect. You mean you don't recognize my voice?
Oh, is Reverend Seed?
You're still cool, lady.
Then it's who you, sir?
I'll give you 3 guesses.
What you doing on the program?
Temporary substitute moderator.
I don't know if I want to talk to you.
Well, nobody's twisting your arm. It's a free country. Do as you like.
But you is feisty.
Well, you faced it too.
Don't talk to me like that.
Well, I talk to you how I please. Who you think you is, eh? You're out of order, man. Now tell me what is the problem, or I might feel very constrained to hang upon you.
I am going to report you to the manager of the station for rudeness. You are very unprofessional. Don't you know the customers is always right?
Excuse me, lady. You did have a reason to call the program, didn't you?
Yes.
Tell it to me. Make us see if I can take off the burden off your back.
I got to a sale the other day, and I buy a size 15 dress, which is my size.
You're a fat woman.
Don't be impertinent.
Continue, Oxford.
Very well. Now, sir, when I take home this dress, them say size 15, and I find it too narrow at the shoulder and around the hips.
Wear your size.
What you laughing at, sir? What you laughing for?
Oxford, continue, lady.
No, I want to know if I must sue the store where I buy the dress, and whether I should inform the Consumers League or the Bureau of Standards.
But why you never try on the dress before you leave the store?
You ever go to a sale yet? The place pack up so till you can't even move, much less try on dress. But that is not the point, you know, sir. Them say it was a size 15, and it wasn't a size 15.
But you should try on the dress.
That is all you have to tell me?
All right. Okay, call the Consumers League. Or you want me to call them for you?
You are no good as a moderator, and I am going to report you to your boss.
Well, you don't sound to me like you're much good either. Anyway, go on. Time to take a break for some commercials. We have to buy bread here, you know. So see you, lady. She's completely out of order.
Get Oliver for me while the commercials are on, please. Oliver, what is wrong with you, man? You're trying to ruin the program? What? You're not supposed to trace off the callers on the line, man. There will be disparaging remarks. Try to restrain yourself, man. Otherwise, I'll have to pull you off the show. Just be polite. You sound to me a while ago like you're trying to pick a fight with a lady. Don't let me have to call to you again. Miss Jones, any word from the moderator? Nothing yet, eh? I don't know what I'm going to do. No other announcer don't comment. Look like I have to take over the show myself. This man Oliver is going to give me a nervous breakdown.